Hey guys, my name is Master. Today I had a text from my dad saying that we got some sad news to tell you. My dog passed away. Gabi didn't make it, and she got sick, and she passed away. I just decided I didn't want to make a video today because what happened today and everything. So I'm also not going to say much, but Gabi was in my life for almost 7 years back then, living in the acreage, and she was one of the best dogs I ever had. And she was kind, she was sweet, she always played around, she always had food, she always went around, have a good time, and everything. She always slept beside me in my bed and all that. And now, sorry, I don't want to cry. And so I just received a message, and yeah. And so I'm very lucky I got to know her. Very lucky, she was very kind dog and everything. So I want to show you videos of her when I was filming with her, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give this a like and stay awesome, stay cool. I'm gonna stay cool, stand up and everything. So yeah, see you in the next video. My name is Loxo. Loxo the bear, you know. What are you doing, Gabi? What? What is it? Is she?
Why do dogs look? What? This?
Well, Chloe, I'm going to my adventure now. I have to leave you.
I'm tired. You die. Yes.
And today we have Gabi. Alright, go on. Go! Go! Come on. Go, Gabi. Her butt. Chloe. Chloe. Why are you sniffing her butt? And Gabi and Chloe too. You have anything to add? You got anything to add? So guys, hope you enjoy it. See you guys next time. The next video vlog. I love this doing this. So yeah. See ya.